Welcome. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how the index function works. How the index function works. I'll be looking at two different range, the one-dimensional range and the two-dimensional range. And in this two-dimensional range, it brings about the value at the point of intersection of the row and the column, because we are looking at two columns, which is here is grade A and grade B. While in the one-dimensional range, you're just looking at one column. So you don't need to put the column position, just the row position, because you have only one column you're looking at. You have several rows. So here we'll be looking at the value the index will bring at the point of intersection between the row and the column. So we just input the index formula starting with the equal to sign, right? So equal to index. What's the array we are looking at? We're looking at this range. That's our array, the range we are looking at. And what is the row number? Mind you, I inputted the row number here. What's the column number? This is column number, and we close it. So it's saying that this is the point of intersection of row 4 and column 2. So this is what first row, second row, third row, and fourth row. The first column is this, and this is the second column. So this is the point of intersection with row 4 and column 2. So this is how you go about using index to find the position in a two-dimensional range. Now let's go ahead to look out for the position of a value in a one-dimensional range. So you put your equal to index and what's our array. We're just looking at this. Then what's the position of, we want to the formula to bring just the row position. So this is the row position, and you close the bracket and enter. So 30,000. So first, second, and third. So it brings about the third position in the one-dimensional range lookup. All right. So that's how we go about using index to look out for value in a two-dimensional range and a one-dimensional. A two-dimensional range brings about the value at the point of intersection between the row and the column, while a one-dimensional range brings about the value in the row position that has been stated, and the row position that is stated here is row 3. Right, so if I change this to 2 now, watch and see what happens. It goes back to 25. If I change it to 1, watch and see what happens. 15. So if I come here, I change this to like 3, watch and see what happens. It goes back to 30. So it's kind of dynamic in the sense that you can change the row position and you get a different value from the index formula imputed in the cell, right? So that's how the index function works. That is how the index function works. I believe you've gotten value from this. If you have, don't forget to share this lesson with as many that you know that will benefit from it. Like this video and do subscribe to this channel for more value tips. I'll see you in my next lesson. Bye for now.